Alright, stop scrolling for a second. Because the internet just took a serious hit, and nobody's talking about how bad this really is. A brand new vulnerability in React, the library behind millions of websites, apps, dashboards, and online stores, has just been exposed, and this thing basically rips the whole system to shreds. It's called React2Shell, officially tracked as CVE to OTA 555182. And here's the crazy part, a hacker can send one malicious request, and React will accidentally treat it as trusted data, allowing the attacker to run actual server-side code without logging in, without authentication, without permissions, nothing. This flaw sits inside React server components, meaning if you use React 19 or a framework like Next.js, you are vulnerable by default, even if you never used advanced features. That's why security experts slapped it with a perfect 10 out of 10 severity score. Think about it. Remote code execution on any server running your website, just because React decoded something incorrectly. That's a nightmare scenario for developers and businesses. We're talking data breaches, stolen credentials, hijacked servers, entire systems getting compromised from a single bad request. And here's the wild part. Most developers didn't even know they were exposed. Luckily, React pushed emergency patches, versions 19.0, 1, 19.1.2, and 19.2.1, and platforms like Vercel and Cloudflare are scrambling to protect everyone. But this vulnerability is a reminder that even the most trusted tools on the internet can break, and when they do, the fallout hits everyone, users, businesses, devs, and the entire ecosystem. So if you want to stay ahead of threats like this, the ones that look small on paper but tear the internet apart from the inside, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stick with me. Here, we don't just cover tech news, we break it down, explain it simply, and rip every detail to shreds so you actually know what's going on.